In this video, we are going to discuss the exercise problems of determinants 4.1. Here the problems are given like that. The first one, evaluate the given matrix 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. We can calculate the determinant value of the given matrix. We can find the determinant value as determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. This can be calculated as by simply cross multiplying and putting minus sign in between them. That is 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus of 4 into minus 5, 4 into minus 5. That is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus of 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. That is equal to minus 2, minus into minus plus 20, that is equal to 18 is your answer. Clear? The second one, the problem is given as cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. We can calculate the determinant as cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, minus of minus sin theta into sin theta, that is minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta minus into minus is plus sin square theta. We know that trigonometric identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. The third problem is given as x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. They are given. The determinant is calculated as, we can cross multiply this and this term first. That is x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 followed by minus sign into, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is a plus b into a minus b. I will write x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to, first I will multiply by x into this term, that is x into x square is x cube, x into minus x is minus x square, x into plus 1 is plus x, and anything multiplied by 1 is itself, that is plus x square minus x plus 1. Here minus sign of a plus b into a minus b form, that is equal to x square minus 1. That is equal to, here observe that minus x square and plus x square get cancelled, plus x and minus x get cancelled. The remaining is x cube plus 1. Here followed by multiply by minus sign, that is minus x square minus into minus is plus 1. That is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2 is your answer. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. It is given that let A is equal to, the given matrix is given, A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. Then show that determinant of 2 times the matrix A is equal to 4 times the determinant of the matrix A. Here we can show that 2 times the multiplication of matrix A is equal to 4 times the determinant of the A matrix value. Okay, first we can calculate 2 into matrix A. It is a scalar multiplication. We know that scalar multiplication, that is let K is an any scalar, then the matrix A, B, C, D is multiplied by a, let a matrix order 2 cross 2 is multiplied by any scalar, then it is equal to K into A, K into B, K into C, K into D. In the similar way, here scalar value is given as 2 and the matrix A is given by 1, 2, 4, 2. It is followed by 2 into matrix A, that is 1, 2, 4, 2. This value is equal to how much? 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. This is which matrix? 2 into A matrix. Here the determinant of 2 into A matrix is equal to how much? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 8 into 4 is how much? 32. That is equal to which is equal to how much? Minus 24. Here I will calculate the determinant of the matrix A. Determinant of the matrix A is equal to original matrix, that is 1 into 2 minus of 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. That is equal to 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 into 4 is 8. That is equal to minus 6. They given that, call it as equation number 1. They given that 4 into determinant of A value, that is equal to minus 4 into minus 6, that is equal to minus 24. From 1 and 2, we can say that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times the determinant of the A matrix. Let us move on to the next problem. If A is equal to, given that 101, 012, 004, show that determinant of 3 times the matrix A is equal to 27 times the determinant of the matrix A. Here first we can find the scalar product of the matrix A, that is 3 into A, that is equal to 303, 036, 0012. Determinant of the matrix 3A is equal to, we know how to calculate, that is 3 into, excluding first row and first column, the remaining is 3 into 12, 36, minus 6 into 0 is 0, followed by minus sign, 0 into, excluding second row and second column, 0 into 12 is 0, 0 into 6 is 0, 0 minus 0, plus 3 into, excluding first row and third column, the remaining is 0 minus 0. This is equal to how much? 3 into 36, and remaining all terms becomes 0. 36 3 is equal to how much? 18 108. That is 3A value. We can calculate the determinant A value here. Call it as equation 1. Here determinant of A must be equal to original matrix 1 into 4 is 4 minus 0, minus 0 into 4 is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0. This is equal to 4. Determinant of A is equal to 4. We can multiply. They given that 27 into determinant of A, that is equal to 27 into 4, that is equal to 108. Call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2 we can say that equal to 27 into determinant of A. Next one is evaluate the determinants. The first one is find the determinant value of 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. The first one, the given, this determinant is equal to first row first column element 3 into cross multiply, that is 0 into 0 is 0, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5 followed by minus sign. Next one is minus of minus 1 into excluding first row and second column, the remaining value is 0 into 0 is 0, minus of 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next is plus of minus 2 into third row excluding first row third column, that is 0 into minus 5 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. This is equal to 3 into minus 5 minus 15, minus into minus is plus 1, 1 into minus is plus 1, sorry, minus into minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. This is equal to how much? Minus 12. Second question is given by 3 4 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Let us find the determinant of this matrix. This is equal to, here first row first column of the first element 3 into 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus of minus 6, minus of minus 4 into 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus of minus 4, plus 5 into 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 1 is minus 2. That is equal to minus into minus plus, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 into 7, minus into minus plus, 4 into minus plus, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 5 into 3 minus 2 is 1. This is equal to 7 3s are 21, plus 4 5s are 20, plus 5 into 1 is 5. This is equal to how much? 20 plus 21 is 41, 41 plus 5 is 46. Next, let A is equal to, given that 0 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 minus 2 3 0. Without calculating, we can simply say that its answer is 0. Why? Because its all diagonal elements are equal to 0. But I can calculate determinant of A is equal to 0 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus of minus 9, minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, that is minus 6. Third one, that is plus 2 into minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 2 into 0 is 0, that is minus 0. This is equal to 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6, plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Here it get cancelled, the answer will be equal to 0. Let fourth one, let A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0. You can determine the value of the given matrices. This determinant of A is given by 2 into 0 is 0, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5, minus of plus 5. Minus is sign is there, minus of minus 1 into 0 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 2 into 0 into minus 5 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6, that is minus 6. This is equal to 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 12. This is equal to minus 10 plus 12 is 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is your answer. We are going to next question. Let A is equal to 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3 and 5 4 minus 9. Find determinant of A. The same method we followed as determinant of A is equal to 1 into minus 9 is minus 9, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Here it is plus, minus, plus. Here minus 1 into 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Plus 2 into 4 is 8. 5 into 1 is minus 5. This is equal to how much? Say minus 9 minus into minus plus 12, that is equal to plus 3. 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15, that is equal to minus 3, plus 2 into 8 minus 5 is 3. This is equal to 3 minus into minus is plus, plus 3, sorry, this is minus sign. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, that is equal to 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Next, go to the 7th question. Find the values of x if first one is determinant of 2, 4, 2, 1 is equal to determinant of 2x, 4, 6x. We know that equality of the matrices in the same way. Here, given that two determinants are equal, therefore we are equating the different determinants. Here, first we calculate the determinant of the left hand side. That is 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 into 4 is 8, that is equal to determinant of this is 2x into x is 2x square, minus 6 into 4 is 24, that is equal to minus 6 is equal to 2x square minus 24. I will transfer this equation into right hand side, that is this implies 2x square minus 24 plus 6. This implies 2x square is equal to 0 minus 24 minus 24 plus 6 is minus 18 is equal to 0. This implies 2x square is equal to 18. X square is equal to 18 divided by 2. X square is equal to 9. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Here the value of x is plus or minus 3. Okay, the next question is 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to modulus of x, 3, 2x, 5. Here you can able to find the value of x. That is, the determinant of the left hand side is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 minus 4 into 3 is 12. That is equal to x into 5 is 5x minus 2 into 3x 2x into 3 is 6x. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 is equal to 5x minus 6x is minus x. Cancel negative sign on the both the side. Therefore, x value is equal to 2. Is your answer. Here we come to the last question of the exercise. If determinant of x to 18 x is equal to determinant of 6 to 18 6, then the value of x is equal to, they given the option a is equal to 6, b is equal to plus or minus 6, c is equal to minus 6, d is equal to 0. Here you can find the value of x, and they given the option, you choose the correct answer. The determinant of the left hand side is equal to x into x is x square minus 18 into 2 is 36. That is equal to, the determinant of the right hand side is 6 into 6 is 36 minus 18 into 2 is 36. This is equal to x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 36. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. That is, x is equal to plus or minus 6. The answer B is right answer. Therefore, answer is equal to B. I hope students, all of you know about the introduction about the determinants and exercise 4.1. Let me meet in next video.